Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Now Lawn Solutions has recently started supplying the great WOLF-Garten lawn care tools. They're now available on our online store. These tools are easy to use, they're great quality, and most of them use WOLF-Garten's multi-star click system, which means you only need the one handle for multiple tools, which saves a lot of space. In this video, part 1 of 2, we're going to go through some of the range of the WOLF-Garten products and explain how they work. Take the effort out of weeding with the WOLF-Garten Ergo Weeder. No more bending down and tugging out weeds by hand, and no more leaving half the roots in the ground to grow back again. All you need to do is push down on this built-in foot plate. The clever gripping prongs will push into the surrounding dirt around the weed and grab tightly onto the whole weed and the root system. Weeding your lawn with the Ergo Weeder will be a satisfying occasional task rather than a chore. The products I will cover next require one of these clip-on handles. Both handles easily attach and lock into any of the WOLF-Garten garden tool heads for easy, comfortable and efficient gardening. This 35cm handle features an aluminium shaft and a large ergonomic handle for close-up garden work. The 150cm handle is light and strong and will be your go-to when using larger WOLF-Garten garden tools. The WOLF-Garten weed extractor is perfect for digging out and completely removing pesky, deep-rooted weeds. The stand-up straight and wide stepping edge will provide extra leverage, allowing you to do your weeding without a lot of the stress on your back, legs, hands and arms. The WOLF-Garten lawn edger attachment makes trimming your lawn's edges really easy. The rounded end design allows the blade to cut down on lawn edges, while the strong foothold allows for extra force to be added when necessary to cut through tougher lawn edges. In one of our upcoming videos, we will introduce some more WOLF-Garten products, including scarifying attachments, rakes and grass shears. If you've got any questions about some of the products you've seen here today, feel free to get in touch with us at Lawn Solutions Australia or go to the lawn store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on episode 2, and we hope to catch you next time.